Hello friends, Maddie here, and today I am going to tell you one add-on in Blender, very beautiful add-on and very helpful. For to add that add-on, open your browser, type qremeshify. This is the add-on from Blender. Go in this website, and from here, click here. See my arrow. Here it is, the icon Remeshify. Click here and download it for Windows. There is also Linux version, Mac version. I'm using Windows, so I'm downloading the Windows version. After downloading, go in Edit, Preference, Add-on, and then here click on this arrow and install from disk. And in your download folder, it will be qremeshify. Install it. Just install from disk. And after installing, see what this add-on does. We can boolean any object. For example, I'm using this cube and one cylinder. I'm going to scale it. See now I'm going to add the boolean modifier, and then I'm going to delete. Uh, then I'm going to delete this object. Add. Wait 1 minute, friends. Select this. Add boolean modifier. Okay. Now click on apply, and then delete this cylinder. So this is our boolean model. See the wireframe. See in wireframe mode. See this is our topology. Now go in your object mode, and then here Q remeshify. Click on this remeshify here, and then click on remeshify. Remesh, sorry, click on remesh. It will take some time. Okay, now it is done, and now see the magic. See the topology. See the magic of this add-on. Now we can also add smooth if you want. We can add smooth and see with there is proper topology, and we have also added smooth here. See, so this is a very helpful modifier for doing a complex shape. We can do complex shape very easily by using this modifier. I have also added smooth. See this output. So this is very helpful tool. qremeshify. qremeshify object is very helpful in Blender. There is also a beautiful add-ons, more beautiful add-ons which we can search for in Blender. So that's it, friend. This is for today's video. I hope you guys like this video. Stay tuned to my channel for more 3D modeling videos like this. Also some gameplay of some games which I have. So stay tuned to my channel, and I will see you in my next video. Bye guys.